289, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. We're standing by.
Hey, hi. You got a copy on 221 Central Oregon?
Yes, 221 Central Oregon. You're sounding loud and proud out there. Go ahead.
Hey, copy. Yeah, that's my home state. That's where I've been born and raised in Wisconsin. I moved out to Oregon 20 years ago, and so I'm around here, sitting on a big hill, about 4,200 feet up in the air there, Roger.
Oh, roger that. What part of Wisconsin were you born in?
Northeastern part of Wisconsin, a little town called Pestigo, up on the border of Marinette and Harmony, Michigan. Just on the border line there, close to the Great Lakes there.
Yep, roger that. I'm in the Milwaukee area in a town called Cudahy.
Copy. Yeah, I haven't been in that area for quite some time, but this is going pretty good.
Oh yeah, roger that. I got the lake right across the street from the house over here. So we get a good signal over here, Roger.
Hey, copy that. Yeah, talking on the tuner, old tuner there, vintage 1940 microphone. Yeah, it's kind of funny. I kind of rigged it up to a tuner sidekick as something I could run some amplification to it. So I told it looks kind of good. It's something that's 70 years old, but I'm amazed it works.
Well, roger that. I got a real treat for you today, too. You can go on YouTube, look up 989WI, and I'll have you on video games so you can see what you sound like.
Oh, really? That's kind of neat. What was that address again?
It's 989WI. Stand by a minute. Hello?
989WI. What was it?
That's it. Just look up on YouTube 989WI, and a bunch of my little video games will come up.
Okay, sounds cool, man. Thanks for the info. That's kind of pretty interesting. I didn't know that you could do that.
Hello?
Easy. Okay.
Hello? Hi. Yeah, what's up?
Where are you? You said, what town are you in Milwaukee?
Yep. Okay, thank you.
What town are you in Milwaukee there?
Okay, thank you. Okay, bye. Yeah, I'm still out here. I just had a phone call. I'm just videotaping you. I'm sorry about that.
Oh, copy that. Well, I wanted to let you know that you sounded good out here at 99. We're having a good time out here watching the snowfall out of this stupid area. So, spring is supposed to be here pretty quick, man. So I hope the hell it starts acting like it. Congratulations. Getting out to the side here. Thanks for the shout, my buddy. This is 221 Central Oregon, and we'll be clear with you, man.
All right, man. You have yourself a good one. Give me about 20 minutes, and I'll have this video uploaded to YouTube. Just look up 989WI, and you'll find a bunch of my videos.
All right. Thanks a lot, man.
All right, we're gone. Thank you.